Have you ever think that there could ever be a particular platform that could have a social media, an online marketplace, a digital marketplace, a payment processor, and also gives you the ability to earn while clipping other people's content online? Have you ever think that is ever possible for a particular website, a particular platform to have all these inclusive and more? I mean, how could you even think that there could ever be a Facebook or Twitter that could have something like Fiverr or Upwork? You know, Upwork, the online marketplace where people go to actually offer services and buy services. How something could be like a Facebook, and there could actually be an inclusion of like Fiverr and Upwork, and there could also be an inclusion of how to actually monetize on those platforms, and there also the ability for you to actually create digital content. How to create digital content? Hold on, guys, you just eat the internet gold mine today. You just hit the internet gold mine, guys. Now you won't believe what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video, guys. I'm going to be sharing an amazing website in today's video. Yes, I'm 100% sure about what I'm talking about, man. I can't even say everything. It's just so huge. And the biggest most important thing about this particular platform I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is that, man, it's amazing. How would you feel to actually get paid per 1,000 views for clipping just content? I mean, a lot of people are on Facebook, they're on Twitter, they're on LinkedIn, they are on Instagram and TikTok, and all they've been trying to do is they've been trying to get their account monetized so they can be earning money on this platform. How would you feel to actually make money on your videos without even being monetized on any of this platform? All you just have to do is to clip content from this website I'm going to be showing with you today. Go to your platform, post it on your TikTok or your YouTube or whichever one that they instruct you to post it on, and you get paid in as much as your views is more than 1,000 views. They pay per 1,000. I mean, you can earn as much as $5, $10 per 1,000 views. Isn't this amazing, guys? I know it's amazing, and today I'm going to be sharing this internet gold mine with you guys. Now, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Next Plant, and of course, I remain your one and only Olawale Yuso. Today, I'm going to be sharing you an important platform. Whop is the platform. I'm going to be sharing with you how this platform works, how you can use it to start making money online, and how you can rake in thousands of dollars in income starting from your first week. Don't take my word for it. Let's go right into it and show you how this is being done. And don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, give this video a thumbs up if you love this video so far. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you Whop and how you can become $1,000 raking thousands of dollars every week, just the way every other people have been doing it. Now, follow me. Let's go to whop.com. Alright, guys, now this is whop.com. As you can see, I already have an account, so I'm just going to be making use of my account. So let's go back to the home page. These are just samples of the kind of content you see on Whop every day in, day out. And these are, you can see here, it says live stream, this is explore, this is leaderboards. So we're just going to go over and click the explore. These are live stream. These are content creators like you who are online at the moment, on live, and they're sharing their experience, they're sharing things that they do to make money, and they're trying to teach you how you can also leverage on those things to make money. Now let's come right down here. We have the content reward. I'm going to be talking more on this content reward because I know a lot of people just want to get started right away and start making money. So I'm going to be sharing this content reward. I'm also going to be sharing how you can actually create a digital product and start making money immediately with whop.com. Now don't forget, guys, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, of course, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this video so far. Now let's go right back here. Now let's start with this content reward. Now, what is content reward? Now this content reward is where creators come to this platform and they're just going to say, okay, I've got this video, I need you to help me clip this video onto your social media account, and I'm going to pay you per 1,000 views. I'm going to pay you so amount per 1,000 views. I'm going to pay you so amount per 1,000 views. Now this is an example. Let's come right here. We've got the UGC creators and we've got the normal one. Now take a look at this. We have the autopilot clips. Here we've got, it says $4 per 1,000 views, which means if you come right here and you clip this content, you can see it says clipping. Let's just go over right here and sort by clipping. Right here, let's sort it by clipping. So we could just okay, so let's sort this by clipping. Okay, now take for instance this first one, which says the autopilot clips. I just clicked on it right here, and it says $4. It says it's $4 per 1,000 view. I don't want to join yet, so let's just go back and explain what it is because I really don't want to join. Okay, now what is it about? Look, take a look at it. It says $4 per 1,000 views, and it says please use our order campaign $4 per 1K views. So what does it mean? Look right down here. It says platform. We can see the platform here is TikTok. Now, what does this mean? This means that whatever video or content they have on this particular clip, if you go ahead and clip the content, post it on your TikTok account, once your TikTok account gets up to like 1,000 views, you get paid $4 per 1,000 views. Isn't that amazing? Even TikTok, I'm 100% sure TikTok doesn't pay $4 per 1,000 views. I mean, if you're monetized on TikTok, you don't get paid $4 per 1,000 views. Well, if you think I'm lying, well, let's just go over to Google and check. Let's see how much TikTok pays per 1,000 views. Let's say TikTok payment per 1,000 views. Let's see how much TikTok pays per 1,000 views. So let's see. Oh my god, guys. I mean, guys, TikTok typically pays between 0.02, man, that's 2 cents, guys. 2 cents to 4 cents for every 1,000 views. And now you get Whop that could actually pay you around $4, $1, even more than that, even more than $4 sometimes for 1,000 views. And you are saying this is not a gold mine, guys? Man, this is definitely a gold mine. Guys, let's go right back into this. Now, let me show you how you can get this started right away. Let's check another clipping. Here we have this Whop clipping. Let's check Whop clipping. Let's check what's up. As you can see, the platform is also free. Okay, now this is available. Look here, it says open Whop. Now let's open this Whop and see what's about. And you can see it says earn $1 per 1,000 views. Now this is crazy, guys. This is crazy. You can make as much as thousands of dollars here every week. And a lot of you go over to platforms like TikTok, like YouTube, like Instagram, and you post videos, you post pictures, and this stuff gets as huge as hundreds of thousands of views every day, every week, and you don't get paid for it. Well, simply because you haven't got monetized yet, or your account can't be monetized, those kinds of things. But this is a way for you to actually be raking in thousands of dollars on those videos. Now, don't take my word for it. Let's go back right here. Let's show you how it's been done. Now, right here, if you want to take part in this is just what you need to do. You have to read about it. Read about what they want, how they want it done. So once you click on the announcement, of course, you've seen the announcement where it says you can see it says getting started. Here is the announcement. It says getting started. We have shared in the announcement a Google Drive link with clips. So check the how to get started to learn how to edit the clips out to your Instagram, TikTok, and everything. Now, the best thing about this website is that it doesn't just give you opportunity to learn, it also teaches you how to actually use the opportunity to learn. I mean, how would you feel if platforms like Facebook or TikTok could actually teach you how to actually use their platform to learn, to earn, to get monetized? How let's say YouTube could actually teach you that, okay, come, you can do this on my platform to actually be able to earn money on our platform. This is crazy, guys. Now, let me show you how this is done. Now, you just come right here to the how to get started. You click on it, how to get started. As you can see, I've already clicked on it right here. Now, this is what you get. It says getting started clipping for Whop. Now, this particular offer is Whop. Okay, you can see it says how to get verified for posting. Now, all you have to do is to click start. Once you click start here, some videos are going to pop up. You can see right here. It's going to show you what this offer is about. It's going to tell you how to actually do it. It's going to show you how to edit. You can see editing Whop clips from your PC. It's going to show you how you can edit it from your PC. Right here, another one, editing Whop clips from your phone. It's also going to show you how you can edit it from your phone. Now, this is not just limited to people who are actually on PCs alone, which means you can actually use your phone to actually get started and start making money on this. So tell me, what is your excuse for not getting started on Whop right away, guys? What's your excuse? Now, I'm going to be doing a more a more big and a more elaborate content on Whoop. I mean, I'm going to be doing tons of videos on Whoop started from right now. But I just want you guys to get started and start making money. So I really want to summarize this for you guys in a Jiffy. So that's that for that. All you just have to do is to click get started, start right here, and you get start watching this video and how to actually use these videos to get started. But I'm not going to do that. So we're going to come right back here and click this content reward when you're done watching that video.
Come right here when you're done and click the reward content, the content reward section. This is the video that I want you to actually work on. So I'm just going to click on this content reward. Let me just open it in new tab. Okay. Okay, so this is it, new tab. So when we've get past the how to get started, you've watched the video, they've taught you how to actually edit all the videos and everything, then you want to come right back here, because this is the place where it's going to house all your requirements, where the video that you're actually going to edit is also going to be. They're going to put it here either in a file or in a Google Drive link, something like that. And here you're going to have all the requirements that you need. Okay, what they want you to actually do, the platforms and everything. As you can see right here, you can see how much they pay per 1,000 views, and you can see how much they can look at here. He said they've paid $9,000 plus of $29,000 plus they've paid out, which means they still have lots of money to be paid. And you can see right here it says 20 days left also. Now this is crazy, guys, this is really crazy. And down here you can see it says $1,000. That's the maximum payout. Now this means that even if your video gets like 1 million views, you're only going to get paid for $1,000, which means if you calculate how much they are paying per 1,000 views, let's say they pay $1 per 1,000 views, then once your video gets to a particular level that you are able to earn $1,000, then you're not going to be earning more after that. So let's say you got like 100,000 views and your payment is $1,000, then you're not going to be earning a single penny after that, which is cool, isn't it? Now then after this, we're just going to come right here, look at the platform. Exactly, look at the platform. They've got this logo. Look at the logo for Instagram, the logo for TikTok, the logo for YouTube also, which means you can post it on any of these 3 platforms. So if you want to post on TikTok, you're good. You want to post on Instagram, you're good. Then after that, you have the requirement. Like I said earlier, they're going to give you the requirements. Look here, it says you should upload. It said you should upload clips, which is for the mission accountable. The clips, which is an monthly robot gambling game. Okay, so that's what the clip is about. That's what they you should upload. So which means the link that are giving us could probably house a lot of video. That means they might have like 5-6 video in the link. So you should watch out for this particular video that has this title. That's what they want you to actually post. Okay, so don't make mistake. Now the next one, it says clip can be found on the Google Drive, where we already talked about that, which means this is the asset. You can see the asset section, the Google Drive link. So it can be found. They just open a new tab. Okay, now the next one, it says the robot logo should be available throughout the whole video, only on Instagram. So which means if you are posting this video on Instagram, then you should put the robot logo on your video, so it could be viewed throughout the video. So if you are editing, you need to put the robot logo on the video. And if you're posting to Instagram alone, so if you're posting to
what people can actually see throughout the video. It's that easy, guys. Now let's go right back here. It says on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, you don't have to put the robot logo, like I explained earlier. If you're posting on TikTok or YouTube Short, then you don't have to put the logo. But if you're posting on Instagram, you have to put the logo while editing the video. Okay, now let's go back here. It says make sure you read the full clips rules and account rules in the clips rules / account rules tabs. So which simply means you should read the rules and regulation before you get started to make money. It's as simple as that. This is pretty easy. And now I just explained to you just one thing from tons of things you can use to make money on this platform. I said earlier, just content clipping. Now if we go over here, let me just give you a briefing of how to actually of other things that you can do, which are like people who actually come to this platform to offer services. I mean, like digital products. People sell digital products on this platform there and there, and you can be one of those people to actually be making in thousands of dollars on this platform every week. Now, don't take my word for it. Come on, let's see. Come on, let me share my screen with you. Now let's go back right here and click on the leaderboard like we've always done, and you can see right here the leaderboard. We've got the different categories. You can select the computer science, the podcast, the real estate, the career, spirituality, travel, trading, blah blah blah. It's just so much. AI, agencies, miscellaneous, reselling, newsletters, business. It's just crazy, guys. But I always like to do one thing. I don't like coming right here and start filtering through all these things. I want to know the kind of contents that are actually selling on this platform, like they are hot. I want to know the hot niches. So because of that, I want to come right here and click on this hottest affiliate offers, or click on most money made. I mostly click on this most money made most of the time. Why? It's because this is going to show you the people that are actually making money at the moment, that are making lots and lots of money at the moment. Like, let's say for example this week, now people that are grossing high this week is going to show you. So you're going to see, we're going to check what they're actually posting. We're going to see the kind of service or the kind of digital product they're offering, and we're going to try to like create something similar, so we can also, you know, start making our thousands of dollars every week, guys. Now let's go back right here. Now as you can see right here, these are the most money made. You can look at this. Wow, this person is actually making $20,000. That's crazy. This is $40,000 every month, which means every person who actually buys this service are actually paying $40,000 every month. Same thing here, $50,000, $99.98 every month, $29.99 every month. This is crazy, guys. This is really crazy. These people are making so much money. Now let's go over and check hottest affiliate offers. Now these are also offers, but most times it actually depends on affiliate. Let's say you want to just go ahead and market other people's product. Okay, you don't want to waste the time of actually creating your own product. You just want to market products for other people's. Now these are where you can see those kinds of stuff. Now let's come right back here. You can see this is $40 per month, 70. Wow, this is crazy. Now as you can see here, this has a 5-day trial. So if I'm going to go over and market the product that this particular person is selling, I'm going to market it with like a 5-day free trial, which means people are going to get to join the person for 5-day free trial. They're going to get started. If they love it after 5 days and they end up paying, I'm going to get a cut of this $74 per month on each and every one of them. Okay, now let's just see how it works. Okay, let me just show you the brief of how this actually works by clicking on one of these and showing you how it does. So I'm just going to explain. I'm still going to do a comprehensive videos, like I said, on this particular stuff, but I just want to show you brief of how this works today. Okay, now don't forget, guys, if you've watched this video up to this moment, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon, and of course give the video a thumbs up, so you and everyone that you know can actually get to actually enjoy from what I'm going to be sharing in this video. Whop is the new internet gold mine, guys. Now let's come right back here, and you can see, they say they're helping hundreds make thousands. Helping hundreds make thousands. That's what these people are about. They help hundreds of people make thousands of dollars every week. Now that's what they're about. It says join the H1 reselling group free, which means what this group does is they actually resell other people's products. Now join the top rated group on Whop, making members more profit than any group with reselling, price errors, trading, cryptos, eating clearance, sneakers, Lego, and more. So you want to get access, you want to join the group, get access, and get started. You can join for free with a 5-day free trial and get started and start making money. Now this is just one of the things you can do on this platform. Like I've said earlier, there are tons and tons of other people. We have people that actually create contents on crypto marketing, we have people that create trading signals, and they sell on this platform. Now let's just go over and check one of these e-commerce or AI. I think AI is more of on the rampage these days. So let's see what's under AI. Okay, there's nothing under AI at the moment. Now let's see what's under okay, because I selected the hottest affiliate offers, so there's probably no offers which are like the hottest on the e-commerce at the moment. But let's just go over and click out the newest and e-commerce. Let's see. Okay, right here you can see e-commerce help women feel confident in their bodies and get reward. I'm sure this is probably selling some weight loss product. Look at right here, it says all dropshipping through one subscription. This is crazy.